Hello again. Today I will teach you how to add ad breaks on your videos, but first you must know a few things. In order to add ad breaks, your video must be at least 10 minutes or above, since adding them for videos below 10 minutes isn't really acceptable by Google and isn't acceptable by viewers. Since if you placed, let's say, 20 ad break in a 10 minutes video, people will feel bored and leave your video. Plus the Google AdSense won't allow you to add breaks that are very close to each other. At least you need 30 seconds between each ad break and the next one, but they are a very good way for maximizing your income. To add ad breaks to your video, simply go to your video manager, then go to your long videos. As you can see, this one is 28 minutes. Click on edit, go to the monetization tab. Then as you can see, this is the ad break section. If you have a short video, this section won't appear in it. You can simply drag this line to where you want the ad to be inserted, then click insert ad break, as you can see, plus here, as you can see, then click save changes, or you can simply ask Google to suggest placements for ads, or you can edit ad breaks. You can copy this in a text file and paste it in any video that you want. 25 seconds, a minute and 5 seconds, a minute and 50 seconds, 2 minutes and 22 seconds. As you can see, these are ad breaks. This is the minute, this is the... So after adding all of these numbers, minute, second, then a comma, minute, second, then a comma, etc. until you reach the end of your video. Then click edit ad breaks, then click save changes, and as you can see here, these are our ad breaks. So each time the video will reach this point, an ad will appear. Okay. Since I'm enabling ad block, it won't show the ads, as you can see here, but you get the idea. These yellow marks are ad breaks, and they will maximize your earnings from your videos. So I recommend creating long videos, longer than 10 minutes, and add these ad breaks. Plus the fact that long videos or long videos above 10 minutes are allowed to add skippable, as you can see here, skippable video ads and sponsor cards, overlay ads. They have more ads options for longer videos, since users will spend more time on these videos and they will be able to show them a lot more ads. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Money Makers Team.